Today at the WeWrench Shop, we're going to be reviewing the Craftsman Overdrive set of hand tools. Craftsman supplied these to me for free, and I've been putting them to the test with some recent repairs on my 2001 Mercedes-Benz E55 AMG daily driver. What sets these tools apart, in addition to this nice gunmetal gray finish, are the specially designed wrenches and sockets that can remove fasteners that are up to 70% rounded. You'll certainly appreciate that, especially for people like myself who drive their cars all year round in the Rust Belt. Corrosion is just a fact of life out here, so difficult to remove nuts and bolts are a commonplace when wrenching. This set can be used for any application, but it's geared towards automotive use. The set I'm about to show you has 121 pieces total and includes both metric and SAE sizes. When you open it up, you can see it's very complete with 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive ratchets, sockets, and accessories. While we're on the subject of ratchets, these overdrive ratchets have 180 teeth and an extremely low arc swing of 2 degrees that allows you to spin a socket in some very confined spaces. Going further in the set, we'll start with 1/4 inch drive shallow sockets with SAE sizes from 1/4 to 1/2 inch and metric from 6 to 12 millimeters with a skip at 11. We have 3/8 inch shallow sockets with SAE sizes from 5/16 to 3/4 of an inch and metric from 10 to 19 millimeters. Included are also 3/8 inch drive deep sockets from 3/8 to 5/8 and 10 to 17 millimeters with a skip at 16 millimeters. Moving on to 1/2 inch drive, we have shallow size 1/2 to 7/8 and 15 to 22 millimeters with skips at 16 and 20. Some standard size combination wrenches are included from 10 to 15 millimeters, skipping at 11, and 3/8 to 5/8 of an inch in SAE. To round out the set, there are Allen keys in typical SAE and metric sizes, along with a 5/8 and 13/16 inch spark plug socket. There are ratchet extensions in various lengths and a hand driver with a 1/4 inch socket end, so you can use this as a nut driver or grab this adapter to utilize a variety of drive bits. Craftsman also sent me this overdrive set of long panel wrenches. These are the same wrenches included in the set, just with some additional sizes. This set goes from 16 to 19 millimeters with skips at 7, 9, and 11. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you want to see more of these overdrive tools in action, check out my social media channels at WeWrench Official on Facebook and Instagram, and at WeWrench on TikTok. See you guys next time.